is a role of Ayurveda in the management of viral pandemic. What I feel is we should understand the role of Yavagu Kalpanas in the management of pandemic disease COVID-19. So Yavagu is having a light Lagu Guna and Supacha Ahara, easily digestible, and Agni Deepaka. Tikta Kaurasaha, Tikta Panchakam should be taken. Pancha Tiktas should be given. The important Aushadhi for Jwara is Vatsanama, Maricha, Shuddha Mallaha, and Tikta Rasa Aushadhis. So, can we try this as one of the Jwaragna Kalpa for COVID-19 patients? Yes. Any Vatsanaba Kalpa, Maricha Kalpas, Shuddha Malla Kalpas, or we can take a combination of Vatsanaba, Maricha, Malla in appropriate dose with Anupana of Tikta Rasa, like Guduchi Fanta or Guduchi Kashayam can be taken, or Panchatikta Kashayam can be one of the choice. We can make one project on this, the role of Jwaragna Aushadhis in a pandemic condition. In Vataja and Kafaja, or in Vata Kafaja Jwara, Chaturbhuja Kalpa is effective. It can be given either with Madhu or Ushnodaka. In Vata Kafaja Jwara, Naga Guti is one of the good practical yoga. It can be administered with Sitopaladi Churna Anupana. Why Sitopaladi Churna Anupana for Nagaguti Mishrana is, if patient of respiratory illness is there, then Sitopaladi Churna is one of the Anupana for that. So, as far as Jwara Chikitsa is concerned, let us take in one more understanding of Jwara is how to administer these drugs. Administration is also a bit technical in Jwara Chikitsa, and we are talking about Vata Kafaja Jwara. So, with respect to Vatsanaba Yoga, direct Vatsanaba can be given, or Vatsanaba Kalpas can be given. Vatsanaba alone is effective. It can be tried in two ways. Vatsanaba Vati can be given, or Vatsanaba Kalpa like Tribhuvana Kirti, Hinguleshwar Rasa can be given, or even we can think about in the homeopathic science, aconite is extracted in mother tincture. That mother tincture can be used for Jwara Chikitsa. Naga Guti is one of the famous kalpa for Jwara. It contains Lavangam, Jati Phalam, Jati Patrika, Visham is Vatsanabam, Maricham, Pippali Moolam, Kasturi, Kunkumam, and it is Bhavana is given with Ardraka Surasa. 2 Gunja is its matra. Nagaguti Mishranam is, take this Nagaguti, add Samira Pannagam and Chatushashta Pippali. 2 Gunja Prayoga of Nagaguti Mishranam is one of the best kalpa for COVID pneumonia or COVID pandemic causing some of the condition called SARI, severe acute respiratory illness. In that, Nagaguti Mishrana is effective because one is it's a Vatsanaba Vishakalpa, another is it contains Samira Pannagarasa. So Samira Pannagarasa has been worked out in any respiratory disorders, either acute or chronic. Along with that, Chatushashta Prahara Pippali is added. So it is one of the bioavailability enhancer and respiratory rasayan. If the case of pandemic fever like SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19, if it is having Pittaja Jwara Lakshana and Vata Pittaja Lakshanas, if Santapa is more, Daha is more, Ugra Jwara is there, then Suta Shekara Rasa with Dadimadi Leha is indicated. If patient is having Sannipata Jara Lakshanas, then which is the prominent dosha that should be targeted, whether it is Vataja or Vata Kafaja, Pittaja or Vata Pittaja. If it is Vata Pitta Pradhana Sannipata, then Suta Shekara Kalpa is effective. If it is Vata and Vata Kapha Pradhana Sannipata, then Nagaguti Mishranam is effective. If patient is having lot of weakness, fatigue, malaise and debility is one of the common feature of COVID-19, where patient is very weak, he is in critical illness, then Hemabra Karpura Mishranam with Madhu Tulasi Rasa Anupana or Ardraka Rasa Madhu Anupana. This Hemabra Mishranam is one of the Balya Aushadhi. Due to its Balya property, it is Dwaragnam as well as Balyam. Hemabra Mishranam contains Parada Gandhaka, Swarnabhasma, Tamrabhasma, and potally is prepared and then that is used. Along with this, if you add Hemagarbha potally with Suta Shekara, it is called Hemabra Mishranam. Another combination is there, Hemabra Karpura Mishranam. Hemagarbha potally, Abraka Bhasma and Karpura. Shuddha Karpura, if it is added, this is Hemabra Karpura Mishranam. Hemabra Karpura Mishranam becomes one of the promising drug when you are addressing severe illness, patient is very weak. If he is in a complicated stage, this can be used. If patient is getting Santata Jara in COVID-19, if patient is getting regular fever, then Lakshmi Narayana Rasa, 2 Gunja Pramana with Madhu is told, or Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa is also effective. Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa is effective in all complications of Jara. It contains Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa and Karpuradi Chola. If this combination is given, the patient who is having Satata Jara, continuous high grade fever or low grade fever, can be treated. This Lakshmi Vilasa Mishranam is also one of the trial drug for us, wherein upper respiratory infection, lower respiratory infection, along with that, patient of respiratory distress can be treated. To make you a short outlook on Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa, it contains Rasa Sindhura, Swarna Bhasma, Abraka Bhasma, Raupya Bhasma, Tamra Bhasma, Vanga Bhasma, Kantaloha Bhasma, Tikshna Loha Bhasma, Mundaloha Bhasma, Naga Bhasma and Muktika Bhasma. Along with these Rasaushadis, Vatsanaba is there, Bhavana with Madhu and Taraksha Puta is given, again Bhavana with Chitraka Kvata is given. The dose of Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa is 2 Gunja. So Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa or Lakshmi Vilasa Mishranam. Lakshmi Vilasa Mishranam contains 2 drugs. One is Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa 1 part, Karpuradi Churnam 6 part. It is given in 2.5 Masha dose. It is for Satata Jara causing COVID-19 presentations. Another drug is Guduchadi Kashayam and Drakshadi Churnam. If patient is having Satata Jara, the need of Guduchadi Kwatam and Drakshadi Churnam is effective. And in Vishama Jara, if you get a case of COVID-19, I don't know, the data are not yet available. If Vishama Jara Lakshanas are there, then Malla Sindhura Mishranam is one of the choice for Vishama Jara Lakshana. What happens in COVID-19 is we have to see the data, the international data or Indian data, where the presentation is having the Vishama Lakshana, Vishama Aramba, Vishama Vega, Vishama Kriya Kalavan. If these Lakshanas are there, then Malla Sindhura Mishranam is one of the choice. Malla Sindhura is a powerful drug. It is having antibacterial, antipyretic, anti-inflammatory activity. Lot of work has also been conducted in Rasashastra department. It contains Parada 9 parts, Rasakarpura 9 parts, Malla 4 parts, and Gandhaka 5 parts. If all of them are subjected to Valuka Yantra Pachana, then Malla Sindhura is prepared. You can add Tribhuvana Kirti Rasa to Malla Sindhura and it is called Malla Sindhura Mishranam. Malla Sindhura Mishranam is effective in various Santata, Annedishka, Tritiyaka and Chaturtaka Jwaras. So as far as our data is concerned, a homework is required. You collect the fever presentation in COVID-19 and then try to address it with Malla Sindhura Mishranam. Its anupana can be Tikta Panchaka Kvatam, and in case of COVID-19 there is one more possibility. What I suspect is once the quarantine patients become negative for the COVID-19 test, they will be discharged. ICU admitted case after plasma therapy also, once they become negative for COVID-19 test, they will be discharged. It is not assured that recurrence is not to be outlooked. Recurrence is always possible. So if recurrence is there or if it becomes a chronic stage, then it is Jeerna Jwara. There Suvarna Vasanta Malati Rasa is to be administered with Chavanaprasha Rasa, Chavanaprasha Avaleha. In the Adho Bhakta dose, this Swarna Vasanta Malati Ras is also effective in COVID-19 in case of Jeernavastha. So we should understand the presentation of COVID-19 as Dharanavastha and Jeernavastha. And in case of chronic carriers, after treatment who have got antibodies in their blood will have mild degree of Jwara in their due course of 6 months or 1 year or 2 years to be followed up. If it is the case, then in Jeerna Jwara, Arogyavardhani Rasa is indicated. Arogyavardhani Rasa can be given. Chandana Bala Lakshadi Taila can be applied over the patient's body for preventing of Jwara Upadravas. And in Pathya, after Upavasa, once patient Agni is improved, if patient gets improvement, then we should see that if patient is having more Sveda, then Vacha Churna should be applied over the body and abdomen. If body is cold, then Vacha Shanti Churnam should be applied. Actually, again, we should depend upon the ICMR data. When fever comes in COVID-19 patients, if Sveda Lakshana is there, Vacha Churna should be applied over the body and especially Udara. If Shita Gatra is there, then Vacha Shanti Churnam should be applied. After Langana, patient gets Agni Deepana Lakshana. Then in Anna Varga, Jeerna Shali Annam with Mudga Masura Yusha can be given. In Shakavarga, Vartaka, Shigru, Patola, Karavelaka, Vastuka, Tanduliyaka Shakam can be given. In Phalavarga for Jwara, in COVID-19 in particular, Draksha, Dadima, Rajanimbu Phalam can be given. In Dugdhavarga, Gokshiram, Ajakshiram or Samskarita Mahishakshiram can also be given with Gritam. In Paniya Varga, Shadang Odakam is one of the important Paniya Varga for Jwara Roga in COVID-19. In a pandemic condition, Shadang Odaka should be administered throughout country either as preventive or prophylax or during convalescence period. Shruta Shita Jala, one more best treatment can be done in mass is whenever pandemic cases are there, administration of drug is going to cost for the administration. Whereas Shruta Shita Jala can be tried or Ushnodakam can be tried. So these are all very cost effective. No money is at all invested in this. Shruta Shita Jala is one of the Jwaragna, Paniya Varga, and Ushnodaka is also one of the Paniya Varga. If Shadangodaka is given, it is much higher than the Shruta Shita and Ushnodaka Jala. and Mamsavarga, patient can take